Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to show you my one subscriber reward. So the first reward, let's go. So our first reward was that I've started a series called Toes But Pets since the first option play Roblox was winning, so I thought to create a series. Yeah, here is my series. Yeah, one available video is hiding. Okay, I'll do the thumbnails from afterwards the part 6, and I'll also start uploading. I know I haven't been uploading those but pet videos in a very long time. Last I uploaded was 13 days ago, so it's almost 2 weeks I'll upload. So, and the second reward was my paper play button. So let me show you my paper play button. Look at this, guys. Now, okay guys, so let me show you my paper play button. Okay guys, so this is my one subscriber paper play button. Look, it's looking good. Yeah, presented to Ayush Gaming and ran for passing one subscriber YouTube. Yeah, I got this, and wait a second. Yeah, it got folded a bit, and look at this. Yeah, I'm wearing a sports band. Anyways, so yeah, I'm recording this on a camera. Yeah, bro, this is just some screen recording app. I just opened the camera app and just recording. Oh, sorry, just recording this. And anyways, so what else is there on the first subscriber video? Oh my gosh, the play button is flying away. Okay, so it just flew very fast. Anyways guys, I know you can see my hands, and what else do I have to say? I think this is it. Is there anything else? Okay guys, so this is it for today's video. Bye guys, and I'm off.